Hey guys, welcome to the second video of this series, and today we'll be talking about the basic prerequisites for getting the best out of this course. And I'll be so quick about that. And the first thing you actually need to get for this course, a good laptop. Yeah, a good, not that very good. You get, if you have a moderately performing laptop, you are very good to go. Also, for those that don't have a laptop to join for this course, I can recommend using your mobile phone. I will just leave a link below in the description box for those that will be joining us with their mobile phone that don't have a good laptop or that don't have a laptop and actually wants to take this course. I will recommend a free compiler online where you can run the codes I'll be teaching here. So both phone users and PC users can join. And that's for one. Then number two, you need a good browser. I will recommend using Microsoft Edge or Google Chrome. You can also use Mozilla Firefox. Any of the three would definitely work well for this course. Then the third requirement will be Visual Studio Code, and I will definitely, in fact, we are going to set that up now right away. I'll teach you how to install Visual Studio Code. Visual Studio Code is a code editor for writing codes, and it's also a very nice software to have on your system when writing HTML codes and as well as other programming languages too, because it helps to simplify and arrange your codes in an orderly fashion. And we'll actually go through that. And finally, what you need, which is to me more important than the first three requirements I stated, is you need this willpower, this never give up ability, or this never give up mindset. I mean, it's just 25 videos at most, some maybe less than 25 videos. And I want you to see this as a journey you are embarking on, something that I must achieve, and at the end of the day, I must finish to the end. Not something you start midway and stop. The never give up mindset is very important, and consistency too is also important for this course. So at the end of the day, you get the most out of this. And aside that, I don't think you need any other thing. Alright, let's begin the installation of Visual Studio Code and let's set it up for our classes. Alright guys, you just have to open any preferred browser of your choice and type in Visual Studio Code and tap enter. The first option you see is the one you need to click on from code.visualstudio.com. I'm just going to wait for this to load a bit. Alright, I'm going to click on the first link and it will redirect me to their page. And automatically, whatever operating system you are using is definitely going to recommend the download option for that operating system, be it Mac, Linux, whatever. So I'm just going to click on the download option. I won't click on download for Windows, so you can see the other options. So you can see it's suggesting now, it's going to say Windows for Windows 10, 11, like my system, and because I'm using a Windows 11. And you can also see for other versions too, and you can see for other operating system like the Debian and Ubuntu, and you can also see for Mac. So whatever operating system you are using, you just have to download what's yours. And I'm just going to click for the Windows because I'm using the Windows, and you can see it's a straightforward installation process. I've actually installed it, so I'm just going to cancel this, and we're going to set it up right away. Okay guys, you want to navigate to the directory you downloaded the Visual Studio Code software into. Currently it's on my softwares, and for some of you all it will be on your download, so you just have to go to the download section. I'm just going to head over to the softwares because this is where I kept mine, and you want to double click on it and then wait for it to load. And if you have a faster system, it's going to load faster, but mine is not really that fast, but we're just going to work with this. And click on I accept the agreement, click on the next. In fact, you just have to leave everything as default. There's nothing really technical about the whole thing, and just click on next. And if you want it, I'm going to go back. If you want a a desktop icon, you can just click on it. Yeah, most times I toggle that on. Click on next and click on install. The moment you hit this install, definitely is going to install Visual Studio Code. It's a very easy and straightforward process. And once that is done, you just have to open and launch. or you just have to follow on with whatever I do, and that's it. I'm just going to cancel this installation because I already have Visual Studio Code installed. And then when you open it for the first time, I'm just going to open my own so you can see. I believe this is how it is, because after installation it's just going to ask you to launch or not. Alright guys, when you open Visual Studio Code for the first time, it's going to ask you to pick a default theme, and it's just a very simple process. Like I said, you just have to click on next. You can skip it. By the time you just pass through that first three phase, and you'll be redirected to this page you are seeing, this welcome page. Definitely you have the same thing, only that I have few projects I was working on. Aside that, in your own case, definitely this place is just going to be empty. But aside that, you have the same thing I have right now. And that will be all for today's video. And thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye.